Alright, first time trading. Oh, I'm so tired. I'll say I don't even know why. It's just brutal. Okay. So market's been open for almost an hour. Dang, it's gonna be a hard one, I think. I'll be getting to sleep earlier, I guess. Okay. We are going to try our best because I don't really know how to trade at all. I've tried to learn this strategy like using ICT concepts, but it's a little confusing still, so try my best. But there's a very good chance that I do not make this trade. So let's go to a little bit of a higher time frame. So we have a fair value gap right here. Trying to determine whether I want to be bullish or bearish for the day. It does. I know we have a lot of liquidity down here and down here. However, it's kind of just looking like the overall trend is maybe more bullish. Although that being said, we could be having a retracement in here. Depending on where this next candle goes. I've got notes pulled up. So I'm gonna be looking at my notes. But we're gonna kind of see. I'm gonna try not to trade at all until 9:30. So this is just like figuring it out. If anyone ends up watching this, I don't think I'm actually gonna be taking very many. Well, I will be taking trades, obviously, but I don't think I'll even understand what my trade, like how my trading strategy fully works until like a month or two because it is complicated, but I think I'll figure it out. This is news. So for today, it doesn't look like anything's gonna happen. So that's a good sign. what is that? Wednesday, there's FOMC announcements. And then Thursday and Friday is also news, but that's really in the morning. So hopefully it doesn't change too much. Um, yeah. I'm just looking at my notes here. Yeah. So, I do see that there is some liquidity here, some buy side liquidity. Sorry, sell side liquidity. So I'm wondering if any of these, because I think right now we're bullish on just the 1 minute chart. So depending on if we respect or disrespect some of these, then we'll go from there. It's very noticeable swing low, I think. What does that look like on the? Okay, so there is definitely some sort of gap there. We'll wait 8 more minutes, but I'm still not thinking about taking a trade yet. I'm looking for something like to target. Like right now, it doesn't look like we have much to target because we've already taken out. Oh, although we could. What is this? 15 minute. We could target these lows here, like these London session lows. Price could be doing a big retracement. There is also liquidity down here, but that does seem like a big gap to fill. How much even is that? That's 500 points? 500 points ish. Does just look like we're rallying higher and higher. We've even had a couple swing or pullbacks that have just been respected over and over, so I think price will just keep going up. The question is, where? I think this seems like too much of a stretch to say that it's trying to go for that liquidity, because I think that would all be gone. Or, I mean, technically speaking, it hasn't been taken out yet, but I think it's about to. But that does seem like a little bit of a stretch. I've been trying to set up some of these what are they called, into drawings to be nice like this. So hopefully these look good for you guys. Hopefully you can see them all clearly. But yeah, we'll just wait 5 minutes and we'll just see what's kind of happening. See if we get pull back into this fair value gap, and then go into here to see if we want to take a trade. I'm wondering though, if we respect this candle here, if we can go back and try and target, where was it? This liquidity right here. I'm just gonna draw it anyway. Can't hurt to just draw it. Oh. There's still some room for it to get up there. Okay, that fair value gap just got taken out. Wait, no, it didn't get taken out yet. Why did it disappear? Let's do it on the close. Maybe it closed through. Okay, it just comes back. Okay. Good to know. You know, that being said, we could very well take out these lows, because now the market looks like it's just shooting down. But this could just be a pullback. I'm not sure. I'd want to catch some of this movement here. If this is what we're going for, then I'm gonna want to catch some of that. So I'm gonna mark down just some where we're kind of trading, the range we're kind of trading. I'm gonna just do this, and then now we have a perfect graph, and I can just slide it over and shrink it. Can I not? How's it go up there? I don't know. Let's just do this. Till how far? 11 a.m. How long is London a.m. again? 8:30 to 10. Wait, 10? Let me double check. Yeah, I don't think it's 10. Okay, wait. I'm a little confused. I have no idea why is it saying that it starts at 8:30, but it only goes to 10. That's only an hour and a half. Just seems wrong. Okay, we still haven't closed through this. So we could be respecting this fair value gap. Is there a bigger one? Yeah, we still haven't even gone through that. Touch that. Same with that one. Just leave it on this for now. I might have got my time zones mixed up. Hmm. See, I was told that the market opens at 9:30. Sorry, it opens at 8:30. Um, it looks like it actually is open at 7. I might have got my time zones mixed up. So we might be getting some bad price action here. Okay, let's say it opened at 7. I started trading at 8, give or take. Then I would have been able to. Oh, I guess I would have been able to see these fair value gaps and maybe take a trade all the way up to here. So it was targeting this liquidity. So you know what? I'm wondering if this one, because it got disrespected, it's not just gonna shoot up and take out these New York AM highs I was talking about the other day. Or even better, it just took out these yesterday highs, so these highs over here from the previous New York AM session. Because this gap got filled pretty quickly. I think, anyway, I think I'm on the right track. Does look like we're gonna take out this New York AM high. Yeah, especially because all of these gaps were created. I think my indicator just might be wrong as to when the time zones. Oh, that's why I didn't change this. Foolish. I think I'm GMT -6. So now, no, because now it's saying that just opened. Time zones are so confusing. Why are they so confusing? Okay, I'm definitely GMT -6. Why didn't this update? Okay, so I'm definitely GMT -6. Good to know. 2 hours late. Okay, I'm gonna just. This might have been a failed trading session. Unless we go up. So now we're just rejecting these. So now that's why I'm wondering what we're doing. Okay, so where I got my info from, it said it starts at 8:30 EST, which means this one, it means that it starts at 7:30 for me. Dang. That is early as balls. 7:30 to 10. Okay. That means lunch hour. It's 10 to 12. PM would be 12 to 2. Asia would be 6 till midnight EST, which is 10. It's 10, 22, 22, yeah. No, 22. And then London would be 12, no, 1. Oh, wait, no, it's not 2 hours back. It's 1 hour back. Frick. 7 p.m. here. Till 11 p.m. here. London would be 1 to 4. This would be 1 to 3. Sorry, 12 to 3. 3 hours. There. Okay, so that makes more sense. $7:30 to 8:30. We would have seen, yeah. Just looking to take out these New York PM highs maybe, and these what is that, New York lunch hour highs. But you know what? We might have missed this big swing. However, I'm gonna be looking for a pullback now potentially to, so yeah, like there's some sell side liquidity here and here. No, that is not. This is not. This is not sell side liquidity. This is. And this also is. All of that being said, when is the market closed? 11 minutes. Or 13 minutes. Okay, you know what? Just for today, I'm gonna trade a little bit I'll trade to 11 my time, because I got a class at 11:30. So might as well. Just for today, though, I do want to stay consistent with my rules, but for today, because I just want to figure this out a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna just look back at some of my notes. Oh man, I don't know why I'm so tired. Okay. So yeah, we could take out this. Could take out this. Potentially that. Seems like a stretch in an hour. However, I want to see what happens with this fair value gap. See if it gets disrespected twice. Could be interesting. Because I think overall we've taken out all that, taken out all that. All this has been out, all this has been taken out, all this has been taken out. Same with that. So I'm wondering if we might do a retracement back to even just this liquidity right there. Is there a trade I want to take on the 1 minute chart? No. There's not. Two. I think I'd want to see a breakthrough in which this fair value gap or this fair value gap. Are these connected? 862 to 843. 862-ish to 59. No, 843 is down here. So they're different. So I might look for a close through this fair value gap towards just this sell side liquidity. I don't want to try and make a huge swing down here because we're already super late into the session. And then I'd have my, because there would be liquidity up here. I might want to grab my stop loss around here. And then kind of go from there. Because I still think overall, even like just a daily chart, I still think overall, is that, undo that. Overall, we're biased because it just kind of looks that way. I don't really know. Overall, we're biased. Overall, we're bullish. Sorry. Where did that go? I don't know how this got so big. Is that an equal high made? Yes, it is on the 1 minute and on the 2 minute and on everything else. Okay. Could be some. Same with that. But we've already traded back to this equal high. I don't even know if that counts because it's back to back. I think this one would be more significant. Okay. Actually, I might look for a break in this fair value gap down here so that it kind of aligns up with lots of these ones. I might take a trade down to here. Although there is also sell side liquidity here. So what I might do is this. And then, okay, so we did take out that high I was talking about. I might just not end up trading today, because everything that I've said has been wrong. It just kind of looks like we're going up. But to be honest, I don't know to where. That? But that seems like way too much. But it could happen. I don't know. We are yet to do anything else significant other than this break. I think there would have been a lot of liquidity in that high. Hello, Discord. So I guess just waiting. That's the idea. Okay. Still nothing. Still nothing. But I think I gotta get up earlier. Go to sleep earlier. Lol. Okay, well, you know what then? I think I might end it a little early today. I don't know if I'm gonna end up trading. Just because I do also have a math test. I'm in school. And if I've already missed everything because I thought the market opened an hour later than it does, then I'm not sure if I want to even bother with it. I mean, it can't hurt, but just so tired. It's brutal. I don't even know. I guess I didn't sleep good. See what these candles do. It could have, honestly, it could have just taken out these high I was talking about, and now it's trading down to yeah, potential different thing of liquidity. Why'd I make this buy side liquidity so long? This is done. I already got taken out. Put that there. There we go. I got taken out right there. However, the sell side liquidity is here. Yeah. Okay, so we did take out that gap. Oh, we were close here. Touched it. Hmm. No, I think I was right. I think I do want to take a trade here. Let's go for a short position here. We'll go the top of this. We'll just go down towards the we'll go down towards this section. Whoa. Yeah, let's sell this. Stop loss. Oh, my stop loss to be, where's that? 25,898. Can set the take profit after. Hopefully, oh, I was immediately wrong. Okay, good to know. Wow. That is impressive, Caleb. Alright, so maybe I wasn't wrong. Maybe I wasn't wrong. Just, I don't even know what happened. What happened there? Okay, so obviously we're starting a lunch session. Did it even close through that fair? It didn't. Why do I keep? How do I lock a drawing? Lock. There. So technically, it has respected this gap it's created twice. On the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, there hasn't been a gap. So this 1 minute chart, or this fair value gap, is just on that chart. Let's go back to the 15. There's no gap that I need to be concerned about on the 15. 10 is the same story. I think it would just be these couple ones. So we're looking for price to close, because right now it's currently respected, these two. Looking for it to close below. By the way, this is all paper trading. I'm not trading with real money because duh. Yeah. I've seen people often try to move their stop loss and they end up getting stopped out, so I'm just going to sit back and accept what happens. Yeah. And the reason that my account's at 50,000 and not the standard 100,000 is because eventually for I'm looking towards trying to trade with prop firms, and the evaluation says that I wrote it down. Check my notes. I think it's lose or make 3,000 before you lose 2,000. I'm right. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I have to make 3,000 before I lose 2,000. Risk 0.5% per trade. I did not do that. Um, what did I? It says, what does that say? 0.176. What's 0.05? 1% of 50,000 would be 500. Okay, so it'd be 250 per trade. So I did go a little bit over that. Okay. Okay, we made an equal high there. It does kind of just look like we are trading. We did close through this fair value gap on the 1 minutes. Hopefully that's an indicator that we're going down. It's supposed to be, but I don't know if it always will be. Probably not. But that being said, we're almost green. She's sweet. My nose is like stuffed up. I wanna like I know like trading, a lot of trading just comes down to your psychology at the end of the day and like how you can handle winning versus losing trades. And I'm wondering if I play music in the background, that'll like calm me down so that I don't get nervous. What is this purple line? Oh. Like like right now I'm obviously not very nervous because I know this is all fake money, but I'm wondering how that's gonna change when I transition towards using actual money. Um, so I'm wondering if, oh man, if you play music will just help with that. Okay, we disrespected this fair value gap currently. We haven't technically fully done it yet, although it is looking like I was wrong. That's okay. I think I just need coffee or something. I'm less worried about this right now, and I'm more worried about my math test later today. Freaking math. Or not today, tomorrow. But I have to study for it. Okay. I'll let it play out. I think I'm wrong though. Does look like I am wrong. One of my rules that I made when I was watching the tutorials for this was to only take one trade per day so that you can't overtrade. Because I actually tried trading a while back, probably close to 4 or 5 months ago now, but I ended up stopping because I kept losing money. And I think a big part of that was because whenever I would win or lose a trade, I would end up trading more, and then that would be really bad. So I'm going to try to start with just one proper trade per day and then see how that goes. However, price is not doing what I wanted to do. With that being said, there's a new one. To be honest, I did think this close right here meant we were going to start going down, but maybe I was just wrong. 2 minute. We respected that. So 3 minute there is actually in fact a gap here, but we still haven't yet closed through any fair value gaps. 6 minute, that just seems so random. I don't know if I'll ever use this. I don't know why I have them. Let's just go back to here. Or no, what was it? The 3 minute. Ideally, we break through this, close through it specifically. Classes in an hour. Low key. I might just have like a quick half-hour nap. I am cooked right now. Maybe I need coffee, but dang. Still disrespecting this gap. However, we haven't been stopped out, so that's always a good sign. Maybe I'm stubborn, but I still think we're gonna go down. Why does it say that I'm not live streaming there? Jeez. It's just lying to me. All right. I think we've closed through it. I could say. We've even closed to that second one. Wow. I like this. Oh, now we're just going back up. I like this fair value gap indicator, but it don't like how it disappears. Because it makes it hard to. I know technically when it disappears, that means it's closed through, but I forget. Forget really quickly a lot of things, so I think I gotta keep them on. Okay, if I'm correct, then we definitely just took out these highs and this all of this liquidity. There had to have been tons of liquidity up here. If I had to guess, there had to have been. Because that just seems like a really big swing, especially for a lot of swing traders. And now that we've taken out that liquidity, we're going to trade to where price wants to go, which I think is down there because we respected a bunch of those fair value gaps and we are currently taking out every other one. So now it's just a matter of going down to here. I almost wonder if price will go down to here but I don't want to do that. That seems like too much of a risk. I'm fine with taking a 2% profit at the end of the day. Almost 2%. It's like what, 1.8, and we'll go with that. But we haven't taken the profit yet, so let's just see what happens. But if I had to guess, I do think we are gonna go down to here and maybe even like down to here. I mean, there's like a chance, but we like it might take out these lows of the previous session. However, I don't really see that happening. But again, well, one at a time. I'll just take my little piece of the pie. Jeez, I could fall asleep right now. I think that's all I'm gonna do after this trade is done. I think I'll wrap it up once this trade completes, good or bad, and then we will go from there. Well, I think I was wrong. That's okay. It's interesting though, because we did close through both of those fair value gaps. Um, but I guess I was just wrong. It's okay. I do think though that if I would have been in the market at the proper time and got in, if I would have seen at about 8 o'clock these gaps being, and then you see this one be disrespected, you, well, whoa, what did I just do? No, what? Where'd it go? What? Can I undo that? No, I can't. What? Okay, just get rid of that. Let's just add it again. I have no idea how I did that. Oh, I'm gonna have to redo everything. Ah, I'm gonna have to redo everything. I, ah, it's annoying. Okay, how did that even? Asia session time, 7 p.m. to 11. London, 1 to 4. New York AM, 30. 7:30 to 10. We lost the trade. Lunch hour will be 10 to 12. PM will be 12 to 3. Okay, that's okay. That's my first trade and everything was wrong. So, I guess that makes sense. Um, yeah, I don't know what happened with the sessions, but that was weird. Okay, let's just get rid of these drawings. Don't need them anymore. Okay. Well, first trade unsuccessful. Kind of figured that was gonna happen. Come back tomorrow, same time, but an hour earlier, I guess. Okay. If you tuned in to watch, thank you very much.